हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल EDU अपडेट। आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ टॉप 13 MBA MMS कॉलेज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ महाराष्ट्र CET स्कोर। उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको मेरा ये वीडियो भी पिछले वीडियो की तरह पसंद आएगा। अगर आप चैनल में फर्स्ट टाइम आए हो तो लाइक, शेयर और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। तो चलो शुरू। फ्रॉम नंबर 13th, सो 13th पोजीशन पे है ठाकुर इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट स्टडीज़ एंड रिसर्च। It resides in Mumbai. Establishment is in 2002. If we'll check the general category cutoff, it is around 95. The course which it provides is MMS. And if we'll see the fees, it is around 5.2 lakh for complete 2 years of post-graduation program. If we'll check the statistics of package, the average package it claims between 5.5 to 6 and the highest goes around 11 lakh. Moving towards the college which is on 12th position, it is Indira School of Business Studies, Pune. There are total 4 colleges in the Indira League and this college comes on the second position among them. So the establishment of this college is in 2006. If we'll check the general cutoff, it is around 95. This college provides a degree of MBA affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University. It demands 4.5 lakh for their MBA program. It claims the average package between 5 to 6 lakh and they have claimed the 12 lakh as an highest package of their college. Moving towards the next college, on 11th position, the college is Indira Institute of Management Studies. It is the flagship college of Indira League. It has been established in 1994. If we'll check the cutoff MAH CET score, it requires 96.2 for the general category student. It provides MBA course degree which is affiliated to Savitribai Phule University. They demand fees of around 5.5 lakh which includes the CDP course that is called Career Development Course. If we'll check the average package, the college claim average package is 6 lakh and the highest package goes around 13 lakh. Moving towards the college which is on 10th position, the college is Lala Lajpat Rai Institute of Management, Mumbai. The establishment of the college is in 1995. The general category score required is 96 percentile. The course which they provide is MMS. The fees which they accept is 3 lakh. The average package they claimed as 6.5 lakh and the highest which they have claimed is nearby 13 lakh. Moving towards the college which is on 9th position. The college is IES Management College and Research Center, Mumbai. This college resides in Bandra West, Mumbai. This college offers 3 courses across 2 streams. The college established in 1998. The general category cutoff of this college is 97.4 percentile. The courses which this college is offered is MMS. The fees they took is 5.5 lakh. The average package which they have claimed is 6.5 lakh to 7 lakh and the highest package which they claim is 13 lakh. Moving towards the college which is on 8th position. The name of the college is MET Institute of Management. It has the specialization marketing, finance, operations, IT, insurance. Along with this, they offer executive MBA for the experienced candidate. The establishment of this college is 1989. General category cutoff is nearby 97.6. The course which they offer is MMS. Fees is nearby 4 lakh and the average package which they claim is 6.5 lakh. The highest which claimed is 14 lakh. So the college which comes on the 7th position is Chetna College of Management Studies, Mumbai. This college offers MMS plus PGDM both courses. The establishment of this college is in 1970. If we'll check the general category cutoff, it is around 97.88. Fees will go around 4 lakh The average package which they have claimed is 6 to 7 lakh and the highest which they have claimed is around 14 lakh. Moving towards the college which is on 6th position. The name of the college is Xavier's Institute of Management and Research, Mumbai. It is one of the premier institute situated in the heart of the Mumbai. The establishment of this college is in 2006. If we'll check, the general cutoff is 98.25. The course which they provide is MMS. The fees which they expect is 5.2 lakh. The average package which they have claimed is 7 lakh and the highest goes around 16 lakh. Moving towards the college which is on 5th position is Department of Management Studies, Pumba. It is the government college and affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University. The establishment of this college is in 1971. It is one of the oldest college of Maharashtra. The general category cutoff for this college is 98.8 percentile. It offers the MBA degree affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University. And the fees of this college is very less as this is the government college. It asks around 2.5 lakh from the student. And the package which they provide is between 7 to 8 lakh as an average one and the highest goes around 16.5 lakh per annum. So moving towards the college which is on 4th position. The college name is SIS College of Management Studies, also known as SISCOM, which resides in Mumbai. The college is very well maintained. The establishment of this college is in 1995. The cutoff for the general category student is 98.44. It offers the degree of MMS course. The fees will go around 8 lakh and the average package which they have claimed is between 7 to 8 lakh and the highest goes around 18.5 lakh. So moving towards the college which is on 3rd position. The name of the college is Velinkar Institute of Management Development and Research. It resides in Mumbai. The establishment of this college is 1986. The general category cutoff is 98.7. The degree which they offers is for MMS course. The fees which they expect is 6.8 lakh for 2 years of post-graduation course. And the average package which they have claimed is between 8 to 9 lakh and the highest package goes around 20 lakh. Moving toward the college which is on 2nd position. The college name is Sydenham Institute of Management Studies, Mumbai. It is one of the premier institute and situated in the heart of the city. The establishment of this college is in 1983. The students have to get 99.80 percentile marks in MAHCET to get the admission in this college. The degree which they offers is Masters, that is MMS, and the fees which they accept is 1.5 lakh. The fees is very less as it's a government college. The average package which they provide is 10.6 lakh and the highest goes around 23 to 24 lakh. And the college which comes on the very first position is none other than Jamnalal Bajaj Institute of Management Studies. It is one of the dream college for all the MBA, MAHCET aspirants. The establishment of this college is 1965. The general category cutoff for this college is 99.93 percentile. It offers the MMS degree. The fees goes nearby 6 lakh. The fees has been increased this year only just because the college has been converted to the autonomous college. The average package of this college is nearby 18 lakh and the highest goes above 32 lakh. So these are the top 13 colleges for MAHCET aspirants.